In a world where modernity is in constant flux and new car models appear incessantly, there lie forgotten relics of a bygone era, quietly resting in abandoned junkyards. These classic cars, shrouded in layers of dust and neglect, are far more than mere scrap metal. They are living fragments of history. Every detail on their weathered exteriors and every faded leather seat tells a story of journeys once traveled and owners who once cherished them. Amidst the silence of these abandoned lots, we uncover a piece of the past where these vintage vehicles are not just artifacts, but vibrant witnesses of a time long gone. I have just discovered an incredibly rare treasure at a secret farm where over 100 unique classic cars are hidden away. These cars are not just mobile works of art, they also carry the history and memories of a bygone era. Each car has its own story, from classic models to rare rescue vehicles, all preserved in remarkably good condition. Finding these cars feels like uncovering a piece of the past, where memories and cultural heritage are carefully preserved. I was absolutely thrilled to explore every corner of the farm, and the sight of these dust-covered cars still exuding their classic beauty kept me captivated. This is truly one of the biggest discoveries in my journey of searching for classic cars, and I can't wait to share these amazing experiences with everyone. Restoring and reviving 20 classic American cars is an exciting and challenging endeavor for car enthusiasts. These vehicles are not merely means of transportation, they hold significant cultural and historical value, connecting us to decades past. Popular TV shows like Street Outlaws and Rust Valley Restorers have captured audiences' attention, showcasing the intricate and captivating process of classic car restoration. Those involved in this activity often face numerous challenges, from sourcing replacement parts to restoring the smallest details of the cars. However, the joy of witnessing a perfectly restored classic car returning to its original beauty is unparalleled. Restoring classic cars not only brings personal satisfaction, but also helps preserve the precious memories and cultural heritage of the American automotive industry. The Carlisle Chrysler Nationals 2024 will be an unmissable event for Chrysler enthusiasts, taking place from July 12 to 14, 2024, at the Carlisle Fairgrounds in Pennsylvania. This is the largest gathering for Chrysler fans, with nearly 3,000 vehicles from various generations on display, creating a vibrant and colorful atmosphere. This year's event is especially significant as it celebrates the 20th anniversary of the Dodge Ram SRT, promising a host of exciting and engaging activities for fans. The activities will include car exhibitions, meet and greets, and various entertainment programs, offering attendees the chance not only to admire stunning vehicles, but also to connect with fellow enthusiasts who share the same passion. Shoppers World Brampton is one of the standout shopping centers in Brampton, Ontario, attracting thousands of customers daily. With over 145 stores and a wide range of services, it's not only an ideal destination for shopping enthusiasts, but also a perfect place for relaxation and entertainment. The center regularly hosts exciting events, including the Cruise Nights organized by Brampton Street Rods, held on Tuesday evenings from May to September. This event is a fantastic opportunity for classic car and custom car enthusiasts to gather, share their passion, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Daily Auto Salvage, located in Columbus, Texas, is a small family-owned business that stands out in the field of used auto parts and scrap metal. With many years of operation, it's not only a go-to spot for those looking for replacement parts for their vehicles, but also a treasure trove for car enthusiasts interested in repairs and upgrades. Customers often turn to Daily Auto Salvage to find essential items at affordable prices. Conveniently situated on FM 109, it's an ideal place for those looking to save money while still ensuring quality. With a dedicated and knowledgeable staff, they are always ready to assist customers in finding the most suitable parts for their needs. The 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 is a standout classic car that epitomizes the luxury and style of its era. With its vibrant yellow paint, this car commands attention, especially when paired with an interior adorned with finely crafted white and gray striped fabric. The interior is not only visually appealing, but also exceptionally comfortable, with plaid seats offering a cozy and elegant feel. The carefully painted metal details enhance the overall design, preserving the car's timeless beauty. This model is more than just a mode of transportation. It is a symbol of a golden age in the automotive industry, making it a prized collectible for classic car enthusiasts. Old Car City, located in White, Georgia, is one of the largest car junkyards in the world, with over 4,000 classic cars scattered across 30 acres of land. Established in 1931, this site began as a car salvage yard, but has evolved into a unique destination that attracts numerous visitors and classic car enthusiasts. People come here not just to admire the aged vehicles, but also to uncover the historical stories each car holds. In addition to touring the grounds, Old Car City offers the chance to capture artistic photos amidst the vintage vehicles, resulting in unique and creatively inspired images. The atmosphere feels like stepping into an open-air museum where the past and present converge, creating an inspiring space for those who love exploring and learning about automotive history. In an area near Whitesboro, Texas, there's a junkyard filled with abandoned muscle cars and classic vehicles, where around 30 vintage cars and trucks are slowly deteriorating over time. Additionally, in a nearby forest, another junkyard filled with classic cars from the 1930s to the present day awaits exploration. These yards are not just repositories for used cars, they are also places that evoke memories, dreams, and stories that these vehicles have witnessed over the years. The Cargill Classic Car Motorcycle and Snowmobile Show is one of the most captivating classic vehicle exhibitions, drawing in a large crowd of automotive enthusiasts. With HD 1080p quality, videos of this event capture stunning moments, from gleaming Corvettes to unique classic models. The event is set to take place on June 12, 2024, with a special theme centered around rat rods, promising many exciting surprises for attendees. The vehicles on display not only showcase exquisite design, but also stand as testaments to the creativity and passion of their owners. This is truly an unmissable occasion for classic car lovers who want to experience the vibrant atmosphere of a car show. Preserving old cars is becoming an increasingly popular trend within the automotive enthusiast community. Saving these vehicles from being crushed not only helps preserve automotive heritage, but also creates opportunities for car enthusiasts to restore and modify them. These rescued cars often carry unique stories and historical value. Moreover, rescuing old cars is not only personally meaningful, but also contributes positively to environmental protection. By reducing the impact on the environment, we can decrease waste from car crushing and encourage recycling. Although rescuing old cars requires significant effort and cost, it can be profitable through resale to enthusiasts, creating a sustainable economic cycle. Therefore, participating in this activity not only helps preserve valuable vehicles, but also generates new economic opportunities for the community. The Nissan Skyline Graveyard near Tsukuba Circuit in Japan is a fascinating yet somber destination for car enthusiasts. This area is home to numerous abandoned Skyline vehicles. Despite many of these cars being left to decay, there are promising plans for the future. The world's largest GTR service center is being built there, with the goal of restoring and preserving these iconic Skylines. This center will feature a dedicated gallery showcasing perfect examples of Nissan Skyline models from each generation, providing fans with the chance to admire and learn about the history of this legendary line of cars. The blend of the melancholy of abandoned vehicles with the hope for a brighter future creates a compelling narrative for this location. If you're searching for the cheapest Toyota Supra JZA70 in the country, there are several steps you can take to ensure you get the best deal. First, explore used car websites such as TCV and BE Forward, where you can find a wide range of Supras at very attractive prices. These sites frequently update their information on pricing, vehicle condition, and promotions. Additionally, Car from Japan is another excellent option, offering various promotions for used Toyota Supras, including free shipping and vehicle inspections. This can help you save both cost and time in finding your dream car. The Bel Air Sport Coupe, a symbol of the 1950s, was discovered abandoned for 30 years. The video documenting the restoration process has captured the attention of many car enthusiasts. Initially, the car was washed to remove dirt and mold, bringing new life to its faded paint. This process was not just about cleaning, but a journey of revival, where each small detail was meticulously cared for. Restoring such an old vehicle goes beyond merely reviving its exterior beauty. It's also a way to preserve its history and memories. The revival of the Bel Air Sport Coupe not only brings joy to its owner, but also evokes nostalgia for a glorious era in the automotive industry. The largest classic car auction in Nebraska is just around the corner, promising to capture the attention of car enthusiasts and collectors. With over 150 classic cars and trucks that have been resting for decades, this is an unmissable opportunity for those who appreciate the history and beauty of classic vehicles. The diverse range of vehicles, from powerful trucks to luxurious sports cars, will be auctioned, offering participants many exciting options. This event is not just a typical auction, but also a chance to explore and learn about the intriguing stories behind each vehicle. Scheduled to start at 10 a.m., this auction is sure to be a memorable day for everyone involved, from bargain hunters to professional collectors. Get ready to experience the thrill and excitement as these classic cars come into the spotlight once again. The 1939 International Fire Truck is a symbol of history and engineering. However, restarting this vehicle after more than 50 years of inactivity is no easy feat. The vehicle's parts may be rusted, dusty, or locked due to long-term disuse, making the restoration process more challenging. To bring the truck back to life, a meticulous restoration process is required, including cleaning the parts, inspecting the electrical system, and lubricating the moving components. If the truck was operational before the 1970s, it's possible that some components could still be functional, but the restorer needs patience and technical knowledge to address potential issues. Although it may take considerable time and effort, restoring such a classic fire truck is far from hopeless. In an exciting exploration, abandoned vehicles such as Grand Nationals, Trans Ams, and Corvettes have captivated the attention of many car enthusiasts. We can see images of Grand Nationals with their powerful design or stylish Trans Ams. The vivid pictures and intriguing stories from explorers have brought these cars to life like never before. Each vehicle is a treasure, waiting for someone to discover and revive it, transforming it into a mobile work of art once again. As we wander through these forgotten car graveyards, it often feels like we're strolling through an open-air museum, where the artifacts are not just lifeless relics, but pieces of a grander narrative. Each abandoned classic car is an unwritten book, an untold story waiting to be rediscovered. When sunlight filters through the grime, we realize that beneath the rust and peeling paint, there is a dormant vitality yearning to be revived. And it is up to us, the enthusiasts and explorers, to breathe new life into these legends, ensuring that these vehicles are not only remembered, but restored, shining once again in a world that never stops evolving.